Whoa! Don't let him feed the bird.
No, that bird's a little
You don't want him to
feisty.
feed the bird. Let him have the deer.
Hi, baby.
I don't have anything for you, dude. Don't even try it.
Cool.
Baby.
What do you think of this, Natalie?
Okay, Natalie, please move.
Baby. Oh, I need the slobber rag.
All right, Nat.
Oh, that's too cool.
I don't want baby. Hi,
One more.
baby.
Look at the little baby one.
Look at the baby zebra, Natalie. Look at the baby.
Hey, sweetie. You're so sweet. The guy up there said if you only have one bag of food.
Go away. Is that what you said, buddy?
Here we go. Bye-bye, zebra.
I have no idea what that video is going to look like, but that's going to be awesome.